It's out there, bro.
Hey, if Tim says put a number out there, I'm gonna put a number out.
Well, if EJ can do it, I mean, it's anybody can do it, right? Or is it the other way around?
But like I said, if slow was the answer, Matt would have hit him. Yeah. And even Spencer. Spencer won't good. Spencer was throwing firm.
Was he?
Yeah. Buttriff hit him, but Buttriff is Buttriff. He's kind of like an anomaly.
Yeah.
No, there's not too many boys on the left that are even going to think about throwing it like that.
No. No, not at all.
Here we go, day 3. We're gonna need a day.
What's the plan?
We're just gonna throw it hard until we can't throw it hard anymore. And, well, when we can't throw it hard anymore, we're in trouble.
I'm rooting for you.
Thanks, I appreciate
I'm
it.
on Team Brandon today.
You hear that? Christian LaCorey's rooting for me.
Team Brandon today.
If he can see it, he can get it. There's no doubt there. Key is, though, if he goes a little bit left, it's going to hit that little bit of dry, and it's going to check the wrong way. I'm just curious, do you think they're over hard at all?
Like, you think I'm throwing it too hard?
I think you're throwing a little bit too hard.
So you're gonna tell me then I need to throw it slower?
A smidge.
Okay. Yeah.
Smidge, that's all.
One shot at a time.
Okay, thank you.
That zone is that zone. You can't move out of that zone right now. It's not going to change very much.
They had ordered the window inside the place that they supposed to stand thing.
Well, we bowled on 41 feet last year and my ball 5'10". So as long as I don't 5'10" like I did last
You're
year,
not getting it. Throwing it that hard.
like you can put it in now.
It can't be
Keep
hard.
going.
It can't be hard enough. I'm telling you.
Oh, really? Hey, now. I like the sound of that.
It's okay that he's thrown it as hard as he is, as square as he is. But the last thing he needs to do is get it to the gutter super early, making it try to hook. When he goes and jacks on it, it's going to hook too early, it's going to go high, then it's going to shut the lane down on him. He's just got to make that pass. He can get out to one, but make the pass, let it face up, and then good things will happen.
Too slow.
No one can compare themselves to EJ Tackett. You can compare yourself to Marco Bohn.
This would be something he would do, though. He would make a run with 6 to go. So,
I don't know what you're waiting on.
well, I'm not waiting on anything.
Hand when you got a little bit more touch. Give it a little more touch instead of trying to jam it. Just give it touch.
Okay, well, I still think I want to go another one now. I thought that one was pretty good.
That's good. You did, like you said, you're not far enough left yet. But the shape and everything with it is good. And you gave it some good touch, but you got to get further left to get on top of it to get it up the hill.
It's got to go this way.
It's got to go that way. Your eyes have to get used to that, the same as your eyes get used to watching your urethane. When your urethane hooks early and locks up, regardless of the length, you know confidently it's going to stay there. Well, now you're doing it with a reactive ball. And as long as you just, if you make a nice pass through it,
It shouldn't.
It was shim up there.
If I hit up on it, that's when it either
Oh, you hit up on it.
never hooks or hits the early hook and doesn't.
If you hit up on it, you're going to close the lane down.
Hook. Come on.
I was trying to feel like Brandon Bohn all day.
No, I don't know about that. You made it work. You made it work pretty good today.
We
Smooth sailing, I'm
we
telling
took
you.
what we could get. We didn't
You're supposed
force
to.
nothing. That's all we did.
And you did it right. You did it right. I'm not going to take that away from you or anybody else that figures out how to knock him over.
Just like your son right here. Comes on.
But he's getting through it nice and clean now.
Is he?
He's trying to.
Good.
He's trying to draw it too much earlier. So now maybe he's settling down, seeing a lane a little bit more. He's got to close down the right way.
Yeah.
So.
It's looking like it's reading the pattern the right way. So
Yeah.
It should be all right.
Yeah. Well, it is right now. He almost feels like Cam Crow right now.
No. He feels like Brandon Bohn. And you know who he actually feels like? I don't know, maybe his Hall of Fame father, Parker Bohn? Yeah, maybe that's what he feels like. Right.
I'm thinking and hoping that he feels a lot better than that.
He used to do that back in the day.
Yeah, back in a long day. long day.
Hook.
He can move one left. It just he hit the lip and it went. Through the nose, 6-8 through the nose. Yeah, well, it could be a ball change, but it's got to slow down.
Home. We're pausing the action real quick in the U.S. Open. I don't want to watch myself anymore, but I do want to watch myself in this brand new Create Your Legacy hoodie. At bonelegacy.com, you can get yours and maybe even a t-shirt. But this hoodie is warm, and it's keeping me warm here in Indy this week. But for now, let's get back to the action.
You can't move out of the zone. No. You got to stay in the zone. So the only way that you can do it, you can move minorly with your feet, but your ball has to see the window.
Yeah.
Either a little sooner or a little later, and you do that with speed.
Yeah, I set a little 5-board radius, like from whatever, 3 to 8 or whatever. That's where you can stand pretty much. If you have a pair that hooks, you can throw it there. But if you have a pair that's sharp off the gutter, you can fall down, you can get left, and just
go up.
hard.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Oh no. Gosh, dude, don't throw it like that.
So you got nothing to lose, but you hit the pocket. Just gotta hope that you make
I got
it.
nothing to lose. I miss more spares today than I have all week.
I know.
All right, game 7. Nothing to lose. Please hook.
Try it again.
Think at 5.
No. You know what? I'll say off shot, and you broke it down and got 9.
Awesome. This is painful. This is painful.
Even though things are not going the way that Brandon would like them to go, by him changing balls, you have to at least look at something else, because it's only going to teach him down the road. I know as a player, it's very disheartening when everything keeps going backwards, when you still have the same proverbial light switcher 10 pin, move a little bit, solid 8, go back a little bit, and then you 3-7 or 3-7-9. There's nothing fun about all of that happening, but if you just go down without swinging, you're not learning anything. As a player, you always have to give it 100% every single shot, because he will see this pattern again down the road. Maybe not next week, maybe not next month, but again in his career, he will be bowling on the same thing. It's just a matter of when.
Last game, 24 out of 24. I need 190 for even, and if I bowl 300, I get $100. So if I bowl 190, I'm happy. If I bowl 300, I'm even more happy. Anything in between, that means I'm plus. If I bowl under 190, I'm gonna be pissed. That's a double, baby. Don't push it. One of them's Brooklyn. Oh my God. Woo. Dude, that is so messed up. How does that not strike? Look. Hi. Oh no.
All right, well, that's a wrap on 24 games at the US Open. Probably one of my more disappointing performances for 24 games. This 52-foot pattern has killed me over the last couple of years and has been my worst pattern by far. And I managed to have 50 over tonight, 55 over, and that's my highest block on this pattern by at least 150. Overall, my high block, my high 8-game block at the US Open. And I feel like tonight, really I'm gonna take away some positives and go, you know what? I shot some splits really well tonight, made a handful of washouts, made the Greek church tonight, that was kind of cool. But, you know, really took advantage of some good pairs and made some good moves, and, you know, overall bowled really well. And it's these tournaments that are going to be the ones that make you better, because you don't want them to happen again. So you're going to learn from them, work hard, and, you know, just build on it, because it's the losing experiences that make it that much better when you come out on top at the end, wherever it is down the road. You just got to keep working at it and keep working hard.